So, what is up, you guys? I'm back with another freaking video. Yes, I am. And I have my absolute favorite Domino's. I just ordered me some chicken wings, as y'all can see. There they are. And then I ordered me a pepperoni pizza. Yum, yummy, tummy. Yeah, boy. Just ordered me a gigantic pizza, which I'm about to smush. It has pepperoni and bacon on it. And now, let's get into this freaking video. Oh my God. You guys, I've been waiting for this. All day long. Chill. Y'all see these wings? Annihilating them. Domino's has the best wings, like, ever. They are just so freaking good. Y'all see that smoke? They fresh. They are so good. And I got me a 8-piece wing, because who doesn't like 8-piece wings? You know what I'm saying? And they are just so good. Y'all just don't know. It is just so good. Domino's wings are the only pizza wings that I really like. The rest of them I hate them. I don't know why, but they taste so fake. Comment below if y'all like Domino's. Because I do. I'm a Domino's queen. I absolutely love Domino's. I used to eat Domino's every weekend before I had my son. I mean, the wings taste like real chicken. And that's why I love them so much. Real chicken. It's so good. My sister, she got some mango buffalo wings. I don't know. She got them from Buffalo Wild Wings. And I'm like, what in the world? I put the wings in my car, right? And I'm driving to leave the store. Buffalo Wild Wings. Man, them things smell like a bag of shit. I said, what the fuck? What kind of food did you order? This shit stinks. Boy, that was some stinking ass shit. I just couldn't believe it. Oh my God. Mmm. Like the meat is literally falling off the bone. That good. Y'all don't like my smacking? Oh well. Get over it. Everybody smacks. And if you say you don't smack, you a motherfucking lie. You need your H2O. And then let's look at this pizza. One more time. Oh my God. Delicioso. I need to get a thumbnail. All right. Let's get into this pie. Get into this pie, y'all. Yummy. Yummy, yummy to my tummy. About to smash Domino's pizza. Lord, thank you. Y'all just don't know. I went to work today, right? I had a great day at work. May have a minor few bumps, but I had a good day at work. And y'all, when I tell y'all, on my last break, I was hungry as fuck. I was hungry as fuck. I used to cook all the time. I just stopped. I don't even know why. But man, I love going out to eat. Going out to eat, you get to try more food that you can't buy at the grocery store or make. How many of y'all eat the crust? Comment below. I do. And it's good. See, Domino's, they have garlic crust. The best thing since sliced bread. Seriously. Genius idea. So good. So good. I got a question. This is a weird question, but I want to know. How many of you out there actually change your mattresses? Not the sheets, not the pillows, but the mattresses. Let me know. At what year do you change your mattress? Comment below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on everything. That was corny, but whatever. Y'all, this pizza is like so good. This bacon is a little chewy. It's a little thick. But it's good. How many of y'all eat pork? We got into a big conversation about that at work. Oh my God. I tell you, at my job, we talk about everything. We talk about everything. I mean, we don't be on no petty, lame bullshit. Man, we be talking about some real shit. I'm talking about, man, everything. Boy, the other day we had the most interesting conversation about relationships. It was crazy. Man, I found out old women are way nastier than the younger women. And I mean, like, they're disgusting. They're fucking filthy. It's like crazy to me almost. Old women, boy, you got me beat. I'm telling you. Cause, some of that shit they be saying, I'm like, oh my God. Like, oh my God. I can't believe you just said that. Domino's. I'm not sponsored. Don't think that. Wish I was. Shout out to Dominos. In case you want to sponsor me, I'll take some free pizza. People are so fake. And they're so afraid to, like, film their real life, talk about their real life, and really put shit out there for what the fuck it is. Like, I realized that shit today. Because when a lot of people find out that I vlog or do YouTube, man, the first thing they say is, wow, you really be making videos like that? You really be putting yourself out there? Hell yeah. Why not? Shit. I don't give a fuck about your opinion. Fuck all y'all. And thank you for the lovers. But fuck the haters. Damn it. I don't live for y'all. Y'all ain't cutting no check. Y'all ain't doing shit for me. No. Sorry, I cannot help you, honey. I don't got time living for you for what? The motherfuckers, they always try to figure out your fucking life. Like, my life ain't no secret. You want to know some ass. You got a big ass mouth, use it, you know? My life ain't never been no secret. For what? Shit, people gonna know anyway. Why you hiding? Why you living a double life? What is that called? Gender personality disorder? Yeah. I swear motherfuckers got gender personality disorder. Not gender personality disorder. My bad. Personality disorder. Why did I say gender? Yeah. Got personality disorder. No offense to, you know, gender personality people. I'm just saying. But yeah, y'all. That's how you know it's clean. Now, I don't do that gristle shit now. I don't do no gristle. Hell no. But anyway. so much for watching. I hope you come back to my channel. And have a good one. Bye, loves.